What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you do a quick video on how to spool a spinning reel. 6'10" rod. On here it recommends 4 to 12 pound, but it says mono, but I'm putting on 20-pound braid. So this is gonna be a casting rod. It's not going to be for live bait or anything like that. We're going to go ahead and lay this out, and we're going to run this line down through every eyelet. Some people just do it on the first eyelet, and that's okay too. So when you get here, your line's got to go underneath your bail. And this is a line guide here, but it's got to go underneath your bail. This is your bail. Your line's got to come underneath. Okay, guys, if you don't have, if you're using braid, you want to have a backer here. You can use mono. I'm using a little piece of tape. So we got our backer. I used electrical tape. Actually, it's duct tape. So I think everybody uses this, not just about. So, first thing to do is tie an overhand knot on your tag end. Just a regular overhand knot. Okay. Now, I'm gonna try to show you guys this best as possible. And we're going to go over and under. Making like a loop. So your main line should be able to go back and forth through that loop. Right here. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna go through here, under, and through. And we're gonna do, it's just a simple overhand knot right to that loop that you made. It's gonna look just like this. You wanna cinch this down. Nice and tight. Okay, then remember we got our knot tied here. You pull the string right to that knot. Just like so. Just like that. Then you grab your tag end and you want to cinch it down some. Okay. I'm taking my knife, cut it about 1/8 inch, like that. And that is it, guys. That is your knot there. Now that we have our knot and our backer, if I didn't have this piece of tape here, this line would slip all around this spool. But watch with the tape. And I'm holding tight. And the drag's loose. Look at that. Winds right on up. Okay, so now that we got it started, you really want to have another person to do this with you. That's what you really want. But if you're like me, you do everything, pretty much by yourself, then you do this. My kids used to help me do this. Anyways, you want the line coming off the top of your spool. So when you hold this and you're reeling, you want that line to come off the top of your spool, just like that. Not like this. You don't want it to come like this. You want it to come like this. And because the reason of that is because that's how the line is put on this spool. So you want to take the line off the spool the way the line was put on the spool. And what that prevents is line twists, major line twists. And with bait casters, it prevents backlashes big time. But with the spinning reel, it definitely prevents line twists. So this screwdriver just so happens to fit right in that bucket, just like that. Pretty tight. Remember, I got the line coming off the top of the spool. Okay, we start reeling. Okay, so when you get here, you don't want to go past this. See it, it's flat here. Right now I got about, let's say, an 1/8 inch of play. And I might reel a little bit more, but that's about it. Cut our line. And be back with the lure. We're going to use the improved clinch knot. Okay, so you go through your finger here. And what I do is I go over, I grab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I do 7. Some people do 4, 5, 6. I always do 7. It's a lucky number. Okay, so this is what you're gonna have. So you can take your tag in, come back through your loop, and then you take that tag in. So then you got a loop that you just made. I keep my finger here, and I take my tag in and go back through that loop. You cinch that up like that. A little bit of spit or lubrication, and it clinches right on down just like that. Clip it at an 1/8 inch. Alright guys, that'll do it for today's video. Hope you got something out of it. I hope you guys have a great day. See you on the next one.